Hello friends, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about skincare, retinol, and review for you the most affordable under eye cream with retinol that you can find in Sephora. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Anna and on my channel I share cozy vlogs, shopping, beauty, travel and so much more. And before we start, I really wanted to ask everyone to push that like button. It really helps me grow my channel. Thank you so much, and thank you for everyone who is already subscribed to my channel. It's really important for YouTube algorithms. And without further ado, let's jump into our today's topic. For those of you who don't know what's retinol, retinol is basically the best ingredient that you can find in skincare right now in order to fight wrinkles and fine lines. That is the only ingredient in skincare which was scientifically proven to help with wrinkles and fine lines. Also, you have ceramides, but retinol is like best of the best. That's why having retinol in your skincare routine is the best thing that you can do at home in order to keep your skin healthy and youthful. I started using retinol under eye creams about 2 years ago, and I've used different ones already. I think I will make a separate video where I would compare all of the retinol eye creams that I have tried so far. But today I want to review this one because it is particularly interesting for me. Recently, like a few months ago, I've finished my Neutrogena retinol eye cream, and I didn't feel like it was doing a lot for me, and I didn't feel like jumping straight into something new, so I took a few months break. At that point I was using my morning eye cream in the evenings as well. The eye cream that I use in the morning is the one by Origins, the ginseng eye cream. I think that's the correct name. By the way, it is really good for brightening your under eye area. There are like little highlighting particles in it, so it makes your under eye area really bright. And then I've stumbled upon this little thing in Sephora, and I was really interested in trying it. I was really surprised to find out the price. I think that is the cheapest retinol cream that you can find in Sephora right now. The price for it is about $15 in the US and €15 in Europe. And the brand is the Inkey list. I have never tried anything from this brand before, but I have heard really good things about the azelaic acid from the Inkey list, and also something else I don't remember right now. But generally this brand is getting more and more popular in Sephora, at least in Poland. That's what I'm seeing. And the full name of the product that I'm holding right now is Retinol Eye Cream by the Inkey list. It helps reduce visible signs of aging around eyes. The way you're supposed to use retinol in your skincare routine is to use it in the evenings. You're not supposed to use retinol products in the morning. It has to do with the sunlight exposure that you get during the day, and it's basically not good for your skin to have retinol on during the day when you are exposed to sunlight. So we use retinol in the evenings. So that cream as well we apply in the evenings. The way that the Inkey list suggests that we apply this product is after cleansing, pat a small amount of retinol eye cream around the contour of the eye using your ring finger. Why ring finger? I don't know. I've never understood why we have to use the ring finger in order to pat the cream. I think I always use my, how do you call it, index finger? This one. I always use this one. And then you have to follow with your preferred moisturizer. They are also suggesting their own brand's moisturizer, which they call Bioactive Ceramide Moisturizer. And well, that is basically the end of your under eye area evening skincare routine. I don't think I have ever applied a moisturizer on top of the under eye cream. I've always left it the way it is. I think they are suggesting to follow this retinol eye cream with a moisturizer because it's going to be better for you if your skin is super sensitive, because sensitive skin can react to retinol sometimes by being irritated, and you can get some redness or like patches of drying skin after using retinol, and that is considered like super normal, and that doesn't mean that you have to stop retinol. It means that you have to use it maybe more gradually, rarely, like start with once per week and then continue adding it step by step to your skincare routine. Maybe you need to try something with a lower percentage of retinol, because you have retinol in your skincare products with different levels of percentage. The more retinol you have, the bigger is the percentage. And when I was starting using retinol, I was really surprised by how small that percentage is, and I could not believe that you can get results from that percentage. Like the serum that I used to use on my face for about a year was the one from Vichy, and the percentage there was 0.3, and I thought that 0.3 is like nothing. I would not get any results from 0.3 on my face. But actually, I was super satisfied with the way that serum worked on me. In my experience, if I feel okay about the retinol cream under my eyes, I don't follow with a moisturizer, but as you can see, it's generally recommended in order to reduce the possibility of irritation. And also, of course, when you're using retinol products in your evening skincare routine, you always need to remember that next day in the morning you have to apply sunscreen in order to protect your face from the sun damage. I think if you are starting with a new retinol product, even if you've been using another retinol product in your skincare routine before, I think it's always good to start gradually. That's why I've started with this cream gradually. I've used it twice per week at first, and then I've started using it once per 2 days. Sometimes I use it almost every day right now, but it just sometimes I forget about it, but generally I use it almost every evening right now, and I'm really enjoying it. I have not experienced any irritation at all, although my skin is generally sensitive and I can get irritated by some products. This one felt completely fine for me. I like the texture. It is quite thick, I would say. It's not a light cream. The color of the cream is white and the texture is quite thick. Yeah, it disappears straight away. Spreads really nicely on your skin. It feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel sticky, or your skin doesn't feel tight after using this cream. I have really good feelings about my skin after I apply it in the evenings. And then the most important question is, does it work? Does it actually bring any results? Does it actually make any difference to your face? And I think it's so hard with retinol to see big changes on yourself, to see like big difference. And mostly when I'm using retinol, I'm just thinking, okay, I'm preventing the future like bigger fine lines from coming like very soon. I'm just keeping my skin in a youthful and healthy condition as much as it is possible, and I don't see like wow effect straight away, almost never. I just enjoy looking at my skin which seems healthy and which seems fine, and I feel good taking care of my skin, knowing that I'm doing something good for myself. It's like a moment of self-care, obviously. And I feel like this cream is actually better than the one that I used before, the one by Neutrogena. When I used the one by Neutrogena, I really didn't feel anything at all. With this one, I feel like it's rich and it's nourishing, and I just have a better feeling about it. It's hard to say. I've been using it only for about a month, so maybe in a few months later I will see more results. But by the way, generally eye creams seem to last a very long time for me. Like I run out of my face moisturizers in about 3 months. Eye creams I usually use for at least half a year, because you just need such a tiny amount of that cream to put underneath your eyes. And I think that was everything that I wanted to share about this cream from Sephora. It's definitely really affordable and it's worth trying it out. It's worth taking care of your skin, of your under eye area, because it is so sensitive, and that is the area which really tends to show the signs of aging first in most people. And hopefully this video was useful for you and you've enjoyed watching it, and I would really appreciate if you could share in the comments below what your favorite eye cream, under eye area cream is. I'm always looking for new products to try. I don't have one favorite under eye cream at the moment, so I'm really curious to try a new one. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in my next video next week. Bye.